What's going on, guys? My name's Jack. I produce weekly content based around video editing, videography, and how to make money making videos. Subscribe now if that sounds interesting to you. Today we're checking out an update to an extremely popular free video editing software, which has just gotten an update to the pro version of that free video editing software. And they've added some really advanced features which I thought are 100% worth making a video on. And we're talking about VSDC. I've been a big proponent and promoter of VSDC as an amazing free video editing software, but today, funny enough, we're going to take a look at the pro version of the VSDC free video editor, which is only $19.99. As video editor prices go, that's a pretty cheap video editor. And what they've done is they've added motion tracking. Motion tracking is an extremely popular effect, and it's something advanced that would convert people over to the Adobe suite, because obviously Adobe After Effects is where most people do their motion tracking, but VSDC are entering the motion tracking game with a huge update to their program, and we are going to showcase it today. On the screen is a few different updates from their sort of release, right? They did a sort of a press release type of thing on their site just to say what is new. The main new thing that we're going to be focusing the video on today is motion tracking. It is so easy. Honestly, as a younger, more inexperienced editor, motion tracking scared me. I'll be very honest about that. Like, being real, some of you might relate, right? And what I've seen VSDC do with this particular motion tracking right here, after messing with it for like 20-30 minutes, is that it's literally newbie-proof, beginner-proof, and not to call you guys noobs or beginners, but VSDC is targeted more towards the beginner sort of demographic, and this motion tracking is literally perfect for that particular crowd, and I'm even benefiting from it myself. So essentially, we've got motion tracking, which is a new feature, and we have some different effects and stuff like that. Now, these are all cool. By all means, check those out down below. And what I'm also going to be doing is, at the end of the video, I'm going to be giving away 5 pro keys. So if you have free VSDC, wait till the end of the video. I'm going to give out 5 free codes. I'm going to tell you how to get them. But on the screen is VSDC. Now, what I want to do is I want to make this full screen right here, and we're going to be messing around with doing the motion tracking. That right there is sort of the newest, biggest deal. Let's actually create a blank project. Awesome. I'm just going to go ahead and press finish, and I'm actually going to go over here and I'm going to get my basic tracking clip. Now, I'm going to let you guys download this clip if you want to follow through literally exactly what I'm doing and do the motion tracking as well, and you can follow through. By all means, download my clips. But I'm going to drag and drop this into my project right here, and I'm going to go a little bit slower and explain things so you guys can obviously understand what I'm doing. But if I wasn't explaining to you guys, I would have this effect done in the next minute. It's that quick to do motion tracking in this program. Of course, there's factors like how long your clip is and, you know, what quality and stuff. But overall, this is 1080p, 120 frames a second slow motion clip, and you're going to see how quick I'm going to do it. So to actually get the motion tracking, we want to right click our clip and go to create movement map. Now this, once we click it, is going to ask us to save it somewhere. So we just want to say movement map number 1. Simple, right? I'm going to save that, and it brings us over to this new kind of window, and the tracking button up here appears. Now we don't want to do anything with it yet. What we want to do is get our border here, which is essentially the thing that we need to use to tell the program what we want to track around. What object do we want to follow the motion of so that we can attach an object to it, which is going to be my TQ9 Media Production Company logo, which is also available for download in the description if you want to follow through. And we need to find an item that's going to be attached to. So what I want to actually do is grab this little sort of bit on the top of this little Gorilla Pod, which is meant to have the camera screw onto it, but it's different, right? It's something there that's a bit different from what's going on, and we can latch our motion tracking sort of crosshair onto that, and we can actually go up here to tracking and press start analysis. And just like that, it's going to start playing the video, and it's going to start tracking that point. And I know the line looks a little bit crazy, but once we've done that, we can go up here to tracking, and we can click apply editing and go ahead and press yes. And what that has done is it has added. Over here we see movement maps. Now that might not be there for you. It might be on property windows. You see how I just go over to resource windows, and we've got this section here called movement maps. That has analyzed and saved the motion of this particular clip. Let me just let you process that while I take a sip. Oof. It's hot. I'm gonna give it a minute. You can still see the cartoon squiggly lines coming off of it. It's so hot. But there you go. I hope you had a chance to process it. You might not have needed that second, but you know, it's always good to have a little bit more time than you needed. And we have isolated the motion, which means we can now attach that motion to the logo, which means the logo will sort of replicate the motion of this and it will look motion tracked. Who knew? So we're gonna go over here. We're actually gonna get the logo, which is downloadable in the description. Drag and drop it and put it on the layer above. Shout out to my OG VSDC users who used to have to put the layer below to have it above. Only my OGs will remember. And we are essentially going to hold shift to click the edges and drag it in so that it holds the proportion. You don't have to. You could just drag it manually, but you see what I mean? It's a little bit all over the place. If you just hold shift, you get a nice, easy drag in. And we're going to make sure we're on the first frame where it starts. And go ahead and position this right about there, right? So we're positioning it on top of the actual specific object that we want to be motion tracking. And then it's about to be extremely simple how we link this. Double click what you want to link and go up here to Editor, Add Object, Movement, and you can select the movement map and just simply click yes, and then it will attach the movement map number 1. We can press OK, and we can now click over to scene number 0, scene 0, and go to the beginning and go ahead and press the space bar to play. And just like that, almost too easily, we have motion tracked our TQ9 Media logo, my production company logo, TQ9 Media, and we've attached it to the top of a little gorilla pod that's, I don't even know where that little gorilla pod is. I haven't seen him in a little while. Funny enough, he's now become a person, but that right there is how to motion track in VSDC. And it is honestly too easy. When I was emphasizing it at the beginning, saying, you know, I think this might be too easy, I was really not exaggerating. Honestly, I know firsthand. I've been editing since I was a wee youngin'. And believe me, I used to be terrified of motion tracking because it just seemed confusing to me. I'm not gonna lie. In retrospect, I don't think it's that confusing. But something like this is a nice, easy introduction to all my beginners out there, and even to my advanced beginners, if that makes sense. You know, you're developing and you want something that's pretty hands-on and pretty easy but advanced and nice looking. Overall, I'm a fan. Shout out to VSDC as well for sponsoring today's video. Now we've reached the end of the video where I get to give you guys five of you a free key worth $20, 20 pounds, and essentially how are we going to do it? This is exactly how we're going to do it. I want you to comment down below ENDGANG, 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 and your social media that you want me to send the code to, right? And I'm gonna go through and find you. So it's gonna say ENDGANG at ItsJackCole Insta, for example, right? And I'll know ENDGANG, you clearly made it to the end, and you've put your Instagram. So I'm now gonna type you in on Instagram, and I'm gonna DM you on Instagram and send you your code. So say hashtag ENDGANG or just ENDGANG, doesn't even have to be a hashtag, and then also leave your Twitter or Instagram or email even, wherever you want me to send it to, and make it clear what it is, and I will send the code to you, my friend. And 5 of you will get a free pro key for VSDC. Overall, the link to the description is down below if you want to actually purchase VSDC Pro and get involved in the motion tracking. Shout out to VSD once again for sponsoring today's video. We've done plenty of videos with VSDC. I was promoting VSDC far before they ever wanted to pay me to make videos, so this right here is by all means a video I would make regardless. Shout out to VSDC, but the sponsorships definitely mean a lot. Big up to VSDC. We appreciate you for showing love for us, or reciprocating the love that we were showing you. Shout out to everybody for watching the video. Have a nice day, and I will see you in an upcoming video. We're on a bit of a roll at the moment. The uploads are daily, and they don't look like they're stopping. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day. Peace out. 5 of you are getting a free VSDC Pro.